So today in our class we did a livestock injection lab, and this was a part of our vet science unit that we're working on. So students are going to be giving an intramuscular injection and also a subcutaneous injection, and we're going to be using oranges because oranges are the closest to skin-like animals, so it's going to give us the most realistic version of giving that injection without having to practice on an animal. Something like this, right? Got it? And then remember, you're only doing the surface level. Watch your hand. So this is going to benefit my students in the future, especially in their careers. I have a lot of students that are wanting to go into the veterinarian field, and then having this prior knowledge of how to give injections safely and correctly is going to be really beneficial for them. It's also going to benefit my students because I have a lot that raise livestock, and if there was ever an emergency and they need to give a shot or a medicine to their animal, knowing how to do it properly and safely and in the right location is going to be key to the animal maintaining its health.